But for my money, it's pretty clear that the OKMO battery is the way to go. I mean, the price is the best. The features are the same, if not better than anything else. And it has that all-important low temperature protection. Down. And I would do that over and over and over for several days. So the test was very grueling and very impressive results for this. And see, I punished this battery for days upon end with heavy loads until it was depleted, filled it back up, and heavy loads again, 70 amps, 100 amps, 150 amps. I peaked at almost 300 amps out of this battery. That's 3C. That is well over the rating of the battery. Now you might be asking yourself, wait a minute, what about protection? Well, let's get into that. First of all, it has low temperature protection. That's something I didn't test because I'm inside and I'm not in a cold environment. But if you are in a cold environment, it has low temperature protection. So if it gets below freezing, it'll shut the battery down. Now, you might be asking, well, why didn't the overcurrent protection come on? And that's because the overcurrent protection in this is unique. It goes not only with the load, but also with the heat. So if the battery gets to an uncomfortable, unsafe temperature and load, it'll shut down. And this battery is so well built and the components are so incredible that it was able to handle all of the load, no problem. And this was not a low C capacity test. Over the last few years, I've tested dozens of batteries, and brand new batteries always pass low C capacity tests. There's no point in even doing a low C capacity test. This test showed that heavy continuous load, this battery can take it. Let's say, God forbid, something bad happens to your battery. It's damaged somehow. This company, again, has been around for over 20 years. They're going to be around for a while. Their excellent warranty will last. A warranty is only good as a company with them. If you have any questions or if you have any problems, they'll take care of you. It is a solid battery from an excellent company. Well, I've been using OKMO batteries for a while now, and they're really high quality. And OKMO has been around for 2 decades. They're a pioneer and a leader in lithium iron phosphate batteries. So it's an excellent battery.